Right, dessert time. This pistachio and ricotta cheesecake is creamy, nutty and just the right amount of indulgent to finish off your Christmas feast. And the best part? You can make it ahead, so it's stress-free on the big day. But let's get into it. Here's what you need. Ricotta and cream cheese for that creamy texture, sugar, eggs, vanilla for a touch of sweetness, and pistachios are star ingredient. For the base, you need crust digestive biscuits and melted butter. It may be simple and straightforward, but it's absolutely brilliant. Start by preheating your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. That's 320 degrees Fahrenheit. For the base, mix your crust biscuits with melted butter until it's like damp sand. Press it into the bottom of a lined springform pan, making sure it's even and packed down nicely. This is your foundation. Get it right and the rest is a breeze. Now onto the filling. In a big mixing bowl, beat together your ricotta, cream cheese and sugar until it's smooth and creamy. Add your eggs one at a time, beating after each one so everything stays nice and fluffy. Stir in the vanilla and 100 grams of chopped pistachios for that nutty kick. Pour the mixture over your biscuit base, smooth the top and you're ready to bake. And look at that, already showstopper. Pop it into the oven for 50 to 60 minutes. It's ready when it's set but still has a little wobble in center. Once it's done, turn off the oven, crack the door open slightly and let it cool completely in there. Trust me, this step is worth it. It helps prevent cracks on the surface. Once it's cooled, transfer it to the fridge and let it chill for at least 2 hours. Before serving, sprinkle the rest of your pistachio over the top. That crunch, absolute perfection. And there it is, pistachio and ricotta cheesecake. It's rich enough to feel indulgent but light enough to leave room for that second slice. And that's your Christmas dessert sorted. Easy to make, stunning to serve and absolutely delicious. Give it a go and let me know how it turns out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and check out the blog for more festive recipes. Merry Christmas!